Hi, my name is Lisa and I'm the Wellness Coach Supervisor with your Strong4Life Wellness Coaching team. Today, we're going to be discussing the benefits of the outdoors. Being outside and getting outdoors can boost both your mental and your physical health, but you don't have to spend hours at a time outside to see these benefits. Just 20 minutes a day of being outdoors gives you your daily dose of vitamin D. It decreases brain fog and can improve creativity. And it can also change your exercise by improving your cardiovascular capacity, improving your strength, and increase your overall calorie burn. Being outside can also improve your mental state by decreasing feelings of anxiety and depression, and it can also improve your sleep patterns by positively impacting your circadian rhythm. Find ways to purposefully get outdoors. Some options with your family could be maybe visiting the zoo or an outdoor playground instead of an indoor play area. Or maybe instead of eating inside, you go have a fun picnic in the yard or you can eat on your porch. The possibilities are endless, but the most important piece is that you get outside.